Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather all necessary tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate protective gear. Disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent electrical shorts. This crucial first step ensures a safe working environment before you begin any component removal. Next, locate the serpentine belt tensioner. You'll typically need a 13mm wrench or a specialized serpentine belt tool to release the tension. Carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Then, disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the alternator. There's usually a main power wire and a smaller control wire. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block, often requiring a 15mm socket. Once loose, you can carefully extract the old unit. Now it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position it into place, ensuring the mounting holes align perfectly. Reinsert and tighten the mounting bolts, typically to about 35 foot-pounds of torque, but always check your vehicle's specific recommendations. Reconnect the electrical connectors, making sure they are secure and free from corrosion. Route the serpentine belt back on all pulleys, then use your tensioner tool to apply proper tension. Double-check that the belt is seated correctly on every groove. With the new alternator installed, reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your vehicle and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, especially the battery light. Use a multimeter to verify the charging voltage. It should read approximately 14.5 volts across the battery terminals with the engine running. This confirms your new alternator is functioning correctly. Take a moment to ensure all tools are put away and the work area is clean. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Enjoy your fully charged ride.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.